tuned as a saving bunnies from Spider King.
It's the Spider King.
Found. Name Rubble, and I need you.
Apollo's time.
I'm
I'll just go find Rob. Oh! The Apollo Marathon and the Spider Kings. You don't believe me? Sure I do. Gotta get going. Hey, know where it is? I meet a giant spider. You're a super pup. Super Rubble to the right. Now super pup is Paw Patrol to the lookout. Wait. Anyone? Quickly, Apollo destroyed all the rabbits and I'll need your claw to the webs and free the bunny. I need you copter to carry the button. That's why I need to block the cave with boulders. Once we get Paw Patrol is on. Paw Patrol! Look! No! Be quiet so he doesn't... You have to save them! Go first. Yes! And sticky boys! For the Apollo pup! Oh, we'll get you down way up there to free Apollo. It's Apollo. Pieces on the case. Lucky, while we wait for Marsh Rocks to untangle the and save that webbing and reuse it. Incoming! Shh. Apollo, so Marshall and Rock. Light. Apollo, that's a stair.
Yeah! Thanks, Rock. Super hearing is picking up my...
Use your bulldozer to push them.
Oh, buddy.
Great job, Pop. Yeah. I'll take itty bitty bunny. Huh? Ready, pups? The balls and the red. We're great.
Superhero poke. That barrier extra strong.
Ball. Apollo, your turn.
Trip.
We need something. But can you get near enough to? I'm scared. Over here, Spider King.
Rubble.
Anytime soon. You were all super.
Especially you, Rubble. Away.
Just yelp for help. Hey, Rubble. Wait, right through the Apollo Super Pup. Never mind.
Hey, his
own
own
super way. Pup save a plane. Here, Ryder. Who's up there? Where?
Are you ready for your first K? Then I'm gonna be you now.
Okay, I'm ready now. Let's do this.
It's all you. Whoa! I'm Mayor Justin.
Breathe. It was flying. Woohoo! I'm guessing that's probably
Broken flat. Well, you know how to operate. Keep your hands up.
is very, but just flying straight.
It's really called the patrol.
Excellent. Do I take my hands off?
Better keep your hands.
Ow! To the co-rider.
Here. On smell for gophers. Hey, Mary Goodway. What the?
We are, and we can't get down with poor Ace was trying, but her sleeve got cursed solo flights.
Too high. The pup is to the air patroller. Found it. Come on, Marshall. For made me gopher. That's Jess. Damage, and she's stuck out of poor Mary Plan. This mission, you to fly into that take over the control. I need you to free Ace is on a roll.
Oh, patrol is near.
Wow.
I take that back. Hey, Chicoletta. Oh no. Yes, thinking.
Robo-Dog, it's go time. Yay, you did! Great job, Sky. Stabilization, nice, Sky.
Now I only need to panic.
Okay. Oh, you Rocky. Thanks. Rocky, now see you. You're a driver.
Hi, you rock.
Chicken.
Okay, wait.
You know what to do.
To be moving this plane around. I'm not quite done yet.
Save my poor little...
Little chicky wicky.
I'm here to help.
Maybe just a...
Engine's back.
Oh, fly, my little chicken before!
Airborne chicken. You to catch her. And careful. I got you. Huh. I know. Yeah.
Oh, chicken. No, you can't fly.
Done here. It worked. Did you? Yep, we all.
Yep, and my plane.
Clock for help. Hop safe. Attention, everyone. Sneak preview. Any minute. Not a great time to eat. Can I set up the cones with? It's time. Preview. Wow.
I present the most incredible Daisy, the dancing hippos.
Whoa! Well, the
Best
is...
oh babies, you're a thing that dance. Time to do it, free and play. Now your chance. Will we ever get the trap? Hope is in danger of being a big fruit trapeze.
Now job is to the lookout. There's trouble at Raimundo's. Chase the bulls back into position. Rubble Wolf, Sky, and Marshall will Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Oh, fantastic! Show is starting soon.
Oh, you got it right. Hit it. Now Rocky. Oh. Can you please show me that? Hey. Bulls in place. Ready? Maybe these will help. Pups are still fixing the 2, 3, and kiss. Uh-oh. What's up? Alex is dancing off the piece. I need you to... Check it out, Marshall. For tall. Whoa! Hey, this is unlikely. Wickety wee! It's pretty high. Yikes!
Thanks, Ryder. Still need...
Did you catch the hippo? Now they're running to Wickety Wee. Cheat!
Oh, my...
How's it look? It's moving fast. Can your rig push a... Get by that. Only there was a way to lure those are crazy. Then let's go check out some... Use your buoy to get some... Yes! Good aim, Zuma!
The brave...
Hippos conga out of the...
But Daisy!
Your hippo.
Oh, no worries, Mayor. Ryder, pillow shoes. So super helpful, power nap.
Zuma, do your best trick!
Save the gliding turbines.
Suffering seahorses bought that rare...
Stop turning to the left.
to be to the left. Because I call our wolves left. Phew! Funky fall. Oh, this is bad.
No, wait, cousin.
I'm not sure that you... This is...
I meant to do this.
Claw! Nope.
A serious storm sim...
Maybe need to tighten... Okay, now worry.
Hey, Captain Turbot.
Freshwood with a broken hang glider and a...
Bob is too big. Now pump his controller to the beat. Bull to the airport. Dog, let's jet. Captain Turbot and Francois Island. And our four them. I supersonic wings and goggle vision to repair the hang glider. Bull is on a roll.
Just like Grandpapa. Oh, oui.
Francois, that rock's a crock!
Crumbling.
Fine, Francois! Now, isn't this a perfectly preposterous...
I can see the hang and call Captain Turbot. Go fix that hang. Goggle vision. Come yet, Ryder. Wait. best. Back to investigate. Whoop. Guess as he's just behind. Move, Chase. Jets.
Certainly soothing. Yikes! Monkey! What?
That
Heroes!
you can get it.
Fortunately, I made a...
Captain Turpin.
Agreed, but...
That might be tough.
Aw, thanks
And gives me an idea.
for calling my phone.
It's right there. You got it.
I'm so happy to... I'm happy to see you.
Problem just
You what?
Fun. My camera was in...
No monkey! Oh, hey!